In this video, we take this little gadget and show you how you can turn your Echo Dot 3rd Gen into a portable Bluetooth speaker, coming up. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Aaron and I'm from HelpCloud, and we cover anything tech related on this channel, such as this video where we do tech unboxings and also tech tips. So if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing. First, a big thank you for a company called GGMM who reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a review on their battery base for the Dot 3rd Gen. So this is the D3 battery base. So we're gonna go ahead and crack this little box open, take a look at this little gadget firsthand. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I've got my Echo Dot 3rd Gen right here so we can kind of demonstrate placing it in the battery base. And then of course, I've got the battery base right here as well. GGMM is the brand or the manufacturer name. This is the D3, if I turn the box around right here, D3 battery base for Dot 3rd Gen. This will only work for the 3rd Gen Echo Dot. This does not work for anything else. So flipping everything around, you've got a picture or diagram of the actual design right there, which we'll take a closer look when we open up the box. And then we've got just a little bit of information. Again, model D3, this is the color black. You can, I believe, get it in a white color. Weight is 172 grams and it's 120 by 120 by 37 millimeters. So there's a few specs there. So that's pretty much everything that's on the box. Here, we're gonna go ahead and crack this thing open and see what we've got. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't come with the power cable. It does utilize the power cable that came with your Echo Dot, so keep that in mind. We've got moisture. There's the product. Just a base for everything to sit in. And then looks like we have just a little bit of a manual right there. It's pretty much everything in the box. There's really not much to it. Again, setup guide. You can kind of go through and see what this thing's all about. I guess if I flip that over, you've got basically your power, your battery capacity in charge by light. So you've got 75 to 100%. We'll give you all four, and then it kind of trickles down from there. You can check that out in your manual. And then of course you've got the rear DC jack where, again, you could leave this plugged into it or in the stand and keep it plugged in. Moving on, everything looks good in there. And as far as the product itself, it's pretty much it. Like I said, it's very straightforward. There's really not much to it. It does look like it has rubber feeding underneath here to keep a nice grip on the top of the Echo Dot. You've got your DC in. You've got four little rubber stops to keep it from sliding, which actually work pretty well. And then it's very simple. You've got just your power prong right there, and then just a secondary prong right here that will plug into the audio, the 3.5 millimeter audio. So it's got a really nice firm connection as far as that goes. Now, to simply put it in, all you do is just, you can see that this kind of bows a little bit right here and stretches. Just take your Alexa Dot or your Echo Dot, line up the ports on the back to the ports of the back of this thing, like so, and you just slide it into place like that. Like I said, it's friction hold. It's really nice firm, which is really, really cool. And then with the design on the top here, it doesn't interfere with the plus button, so if you need to turn the volume up, but it also doesn't interfere with the far field microphone that's on this side of it as well. So that's pretty neat. To turn it on, all you need to do is press and hold the button right here on the front until the blue lights turn on. There they are right there. As you can see, those will turn on, and the power, the Alexa, or the Echo Dot will actually go ahead and power up. So I was correct. You don't need to go into the Alexa app. It does show up right here under Echo Dot, so it just took some time to fully come up. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on Echo Dot, and we'll see what happens here. It says pairing, passkey 267044, pair with Echo Dot. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And it looks like it connected, but didn't pair, or paired, but it didn't connect. So we're gonna go ahead and connect to it. There we go. So we just got the little blue circles around indicating that we have now successfully paired to each other. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna play some music on here. So if we go into our Spotify, let's do some Breaking Benjamin. There we go. So this is about 50% volume. So at this rate, you'll get about 8 hours of playback, which is actually pretty good. But overall, you can hear that it actually has some pretty decent sound, especially as a mobile Bluetooth speaker. So pretty straightforward. Again, it's a really nice design on it. I really like it, and it doesn't interfere with everything. And then of course, if you just need to turn it off, you can just press and hold the power button up front for about 3 seconds, and then the device is going to turn itself off. So overall, I think this battery base is a really cool little gadget. It's got a nice design to it that doesn't interfere with the sound, because the sound on these Echo Dots isn't the best, but it's also not the worst. So having something that allows you to get still decent sound without kind of covering things up is just an extra bonus. As far as a specific use case for myself, I don't find myself using something like this on a daily basis, but for those that like to have it as a Bluetooth speaker, but double as a smart home or Alexa device, this is definitely for you. I would definitely check it out. And not to mention, because the design is so minimal, that if I did use it, I wouldn't have a problem with leaving the Echo device in there and then just using the power cable that came with the Echo just to keep the battery charged, and then also powering the Echo device. And then when I want to go mobile, I can just unplug it and just walk away. So there's that. It's a nice little feature on there. Again, you've got the up to 8 hours of battery life at the 50% volume. Overall, great little product, especially if you're looking for one of these. It's like 25 or 35 bucks on Amazon. And I will go ahead and leave the product links in the video description for you guys to check out. Just keep in mind, again, those are affiliate links, and well, you know the drill when it comes to those. And with that, that is going to wrap up this week's Tech Unbox. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to show me some love by giving the video a share and a big old thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring the bell so you guys don't miss out on any future unbox videos. And we will catch you on the next one. Peace.